In this tutorial, we'll show you how to configure your Milesight Gateway using just a PC, no IT skills needed. Unbox the gateway and open the back cover with a screwdriver. Then, connect a LAN cable from your router to the gateway's LAN port and plug in the power adapter. Once the status lights for power, ETH, Wi-Fi, status, and LoRa are all solid, you're ready to start the setup. On your computer, connect to the gateway's Wi-Fi hotspot and enter the password, which you'll find on the silver label on the device. Next, open your browser and enter the gateway's IP address. Use the username and password found on the same silver label to log in. After logging in, the first thing you'll do is confirm the antenna setup and change the default password to one of your own. Log out and then back in with your new password. Go to the vertical menu and select Network and Interface to configure how the gateway will connect to the internet through your router. You've got 4 options. We recommend using DHCP client, but static IP is another common choice, especially if IT service providers are involved. You can also connect via Wi-Fi, which gives you more flexibility for where you place the gateway, though it's not our top recommendation for various reasons. In this tutorial, we'll show you the setup using a DHCP client. In the Network menu, select Interfaces, switch the connection type from static IP to DHCP client, and click Save and Apply before logging out of the gateway. After logging back in, head to the System menu, select General Settings, and then click on the System Time tab. Choose the time zone that best matches your location. Now, let's check if the gateway can access the internet after switching to DHCP client. In the Maintenance menu, go to Tools and use the ping test by entering Flowtify.de to see if it can reach our server. You should see a positive result within a few seconds. Open a new browser tab and log into your Flowtify dashboard to generate the MQTT broker credentials for your company. These credentials apply to all locations in your account, so if you're setting up additional gateways in other locations, you'll use the same credentials. Switch back to the gateway's browser window. Go to Network Server in the vertical menu, and select Applications. Click the plus sign under Operation and fill out the fields as shown. Save your inputs. In the new view, click the pencil icon, then the plus sign, and choose MQTT as the type. To correctly fill in the next fields, copy the relevant information from your MQTT credentials and paste it into the corresponding fields in the gateway's interface. For uplink data, make sure to replace any character after the slash with the word uplink before saving. To confirm the connection to the Flowtify MQTT broker, click the pencil icon again. If you see connected in green, everything is set. If it says disconnected, double-check your inputs, especially any special characters in the password, and correct them if needed. Your gateway is now connected to your Flowtify account. In the next video, we'll explain how to register your sensors in the gateway so they can send all measurement points to our server.